Welcome to this 7-day digital yoga retreat. Although I recommend that you follow the structure of the 7-day retreat and do your morning class, your evening class, and a couple of meditations thrown in there throughout the week, you also, by its own concept, can do this retreat in any way and time that you like. So if you ever need that week just to yourself to get really into your yoga practice and concentrate on improving yourself through yoga, then you will always have access to this retreat. Let's go over the things that you're going to need to do this retreat. You're going to need comfortable clothing, or yoga clothes is perfect, but as long as you can move freely in the clothes and you feel comfortable, that's good enough. You're also going to need a yoga mat. There are so many different yoga mats out there, so if you're having trouble choosing one, just send me a message and I can help you with that. Another thing you're going to need is a bit of time. So if you can make time in your morning and in your evenings to do your morning and evening yoga, then that's going to be perfect. I recommend getting yourself a journal. So this is just a clear pad of paper with a pen, and just write down every evening how your day went, what you would like to improve for the following day, and just how you're feeling. Journaling is a great self-reflection tool. So you're actually able to be more aware of where you are really at in this current time, and then therefore where you wish to go and how to make that happen. I also recommend starting off each journal entry in the morning with a gratitude list. Have at least 10 things in that list that you're really grateful for. Another suggestion that you can begin during this week is starting your day with a warm lemon water. The benefits of this are vast, but just to break it down simply, it will balance your stomach pH, which has an effect on the entire body. It's refreshing and alerts your mind to wake up, which is a far more natural and healthy way of doing so than coffee, for example. One whole lemon has a huge amount of vitamin C, so if you want that healthy glow, this is highly recommended. Another suggestion that I would like to make is that you choose a vegan or vegetarian diet. I know that that's not going to work for all of you, but it is just a suggestion. For the best results, I do recommend this. And finally, resources. So in the description of this video and of all of the videos in this retreat, you will see my email address. Reach out to me anytime for questions, support, or guidance. I'm here for you. Depending on the feedback of our participants, there's also going to be the option to have a WhatsApp group as well. So leave me a message in my email account and let me know if you'd like me to set that up. So that pretty much concludes all the things that you need to be aware of and prepare for as you move into this week. I wish you a really positive experience, and I'm sure that at the end of the week, you're going to be feeling amazing and glowing from the inside out. So wishing you a beautiful day today, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your week.